What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add Grammarly extension in Chrome. So let's get started guys. So firstly, just go to your Grammarly app or the website like this and just go over here. Then you'll be having this as your home screen. Then just go to your left hand side and then go to apps, and then here you will see this Grammarly for Chrome option. Just install it and you will redirect to something new like this. Now what you're going to do is over here you'll be having the option to choose add to Chrome. Just press on it and just choose add extension, and it's happening. Now you can see this Grammarly icon is over here like this. Next, continue, and that's all. That's how you add extensions in Chrome. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.